Dumela, Dumela Ntlobathong. Hi guys, my name is Betty and welcome to Garden with Betty K. Guys, I've been sick. Sorry for going MIA. Yo, the flu. Then sorry washing, but I'm back. Let's do a quick, see what we have. Let's see what you can plant fast during this month. Yes, let's see the seedlings that are growing. Guys, my voice is like, oh, in a little cut in the middle of the process, so in a little basing and stuff. But anyway, let's do this thing. We are doing a mini garden tour. Let's see what is new, what is growing, how are they growing, and all that. Right? Enjoy the video, guys. First thing is first. Our corn is corning. Our maize is doing the do's, is doing what it's supposed to do. As you can see, when I plant my corn, I plant them section by section. So the ones at the back, they are longer than the ones in the front. So I don't plant everything at the same time. So they are like 2 weeks apart from one another. They are growing so nice, so nice because of this rain. We've been having a rain. Even now it looks like it's going to rain. Then we have, I don't know what's going on here. The leaves of this these are beans, but the leaves are looking kind of, I don't know what's going on, but these are beans. Looks like they are going to give us something because they have flowers. We just have to binges and wait and see. And then, oh, as you can see, look here, see, they are growing. So we just have to binges too much, binges. And then our spinach, that side is growing so nice, even the one in the container, because you guys are always saying, hey, we cannot plant things in the containers. Guys, spinach can grow in a container. Look at that, look at that small one, look at this big one. It can grow. So the only thing that is slow, that is growing very slow, is the pumpkins. I don't know why, but everything else is growing so nicely. Don't say when you cannot grow things in a container, right? Yes, as I was saying, the only thing that is growing slow is the pumpkins. I don't know why, but they're kind of coming along nicely. You just have to, I think I need to take out some few because there's a lot of them there. So I think they're fighting for proteins, seed, soil and stuff. So I need to kind of take out some few and maybe they'll grow properly. If you remember, I did a live stream when I was planting these grenadillas, and they are holding so nicely. They are growing so nicely. These grenadillas, I bought them from Checkers. You see, I bought them from Checkers, and we have to pinches again and hope for the best. Cause this containers, there were grapes in them, so we are not, the grapes, when they were not growing the way I wanted them to grow. So I took them out, and then these are new plants, and then they're going to use that this thing on top here. You see this net here to like kind of hold and go up and make some food for us. And then this one, if you remember, it was inside that brown container. That's an apple tree. I grew this from the seed, so maybe next day it will start giving us something. I don't know. We have to wait and see because it's growing. I've been having this plant for a very long time. I think it's 5 years now or 4. I'm not sure, but I started this tree from a seed, so I want to see if it's going to give us food one day, one day. And then this is our peach tree. Our peach tree, yeah. I think I ate like 20 peaches, not even 20, maybe like 15, because most of them, they were like rotten, they had like bugs inside. But because of this rain, this tree has been growing so big. This tree is only 2 years old, but yo, it is so big. So I think I need to trim it up there to bring it a little bit down, because it's way up there, and I'm not that tall. I'm not that tall. And then here we have some onions, and I've been trying to kind of clean this situationship, because this was a place for beetroot, but they didn't grow the way I wanted them to grow. But we have onions. Let's see, we have onions growing under here, and I just need to clean this whole space here. And then here we have some beans, and they are growing so nice. Looks like a Christmas tree. Looks like a Christmas tree, because we have, oh, look at that. They look so cute, so nice, so juicy, and it's growing so nice, and it's going up. And I don't know, maybe we're going to have something nice. I don't know, maybe I'll come with the Christmas lights and put it here when Christmas comes. And this is our pomegranate tree, harnat. But the rain came. I think I had like two of the harnatis, and then the rain came, and then everything fell. But the tree is growing so nice, so because this tree was inside a container, and then I transferred it here, and it's growing so nice and big, so nice and big. What else is growing? Let's see. We have new seedlings. These are green peppers. They are growing nice. Yesterday I planted some tomatoes here, so maybe going to see some tomato seedlings there very soon. Spinach is just a show off. Spinach is showing off, and we are living it for it. We are liking it. And we have like beans in the middle of nowhere. This beans is acting like a bodyguard to this spinach, because I've seen that those mealybugs and stuff, they love the the leaves of this. So these are my bodyguards. My voice is going. And then here we have hibiscus, but I'm seeing these bugs. I don't know why is this bugs loving this tree, and I don't understand. I really don't understand what is going on here. I think I need to bring my spray and try to spray them. Yo, mathata fela fa, mathata. And you see the ants are happy. Kore ke Christmas mo tsone hore they have food. Not spinach show off, you know. What can I say? Spinach loves me. And then this side we are next to the mangoes. The mangoes this time they are doing wonders. Like this year I am so happy for these mangoes. They are like showing off, as you can see there in the picture. We are going to eat mangoes this season like nobody's business. Like this year, this tree was like, you always talk bad about me. Let me show you what I can do. Let me show you why I'm here. Because we have, I think we have like 20 mangoes growing in this tree. Maybe more. But we have mangoes. Guys, I'm inside the jungle. Look at that. I'm like inside. Is it inside or under? Look here. We have the tamarillos growing here, and under the tree. And we have grapes growing under this. Oh, we have so much food under this tree. So many grapes. I'm so happy, guys. You know, so happy. Our tree are producing food. Tramarillos. And this fruit is so healthy, so healthy. But this is a jungle. This is a jungle, and with me and my short breath situationship is not helping, because now I have to go madolo when I'm walking under here. Look at that. Look at that. Yes. You cannot say, nah, I don't plant food. I have food. I have food for days. This is green pepper down here. And then we have watermelon growing here. And then we have herbs. Always have herbs in your garden, guys. Always. They are nice when you're cooking. Then we have spinach. You guys know spinach and me, we are friends. Spinach and me, we are friends. And then we have onions that are giving us seeds. They are giving us some seeds. And then this is a new babies of the house. This garlics, they are growing in the container. And then this is my workshop. If you watch my live streams, you'll know why this place is like this. We are always working here. This is beetroot. These two are cabbage. As you can see, there's a little bit of head there, and then more of beetroot. And then we have tomatoes, different varieties of tomatoes. And then here we have ginger. And if you look here, we have something popping. You see, we are always working here. And then we have this new planter container. It has food as well. So here is like tomatoes, and then this little thing is here, this chamomile, and then we have green peppers, and then we have flowers. Most of these plants are flowers. And this thingamajig, you see. So this is a new container for us that we are kind of trying it out and see if things can grow in it. And then we come here, we have potatoes in a sack, and then we have sweet potatoes as well in same sacks. It's a sack of something you buy. I bought this white thing is at you can find them at Pick and Pay, Checkers, where else, Builders Warehouse. So you can find this, and then you can make your own containers out of them if you don't have a space to plant things. Let's see what else is growing. Oh, and our cactus. Is it growing cactus? I don't know what is this tree. It's growing. We have new heads growing here. I was thinking these are fruits, but looks like it's not fruits. It's just a tree growing. I was so happy that I'm going to have like fruits from this tree and taste them for the first time. But it's just another leaves. Imagine. But we are looking very fine because of this rain. You can see that even the floor is still wet, but this looks so nice. My jungle is jungling. And we have tomatoes growing here. I just need to add some more soil into that container, but we already have like food showing up. And this plant, I have not trimmed it, touched it, did nothing. I did nothing to this plant, and it's growing on its own. Sometimes we like doing things that we see in the internet, and we think we are doing good for the plant. The plant knows what is supposed to happen. So normally people, they say cut off the suckers and stuff, but when you look at your tree, your plant, you'll find that the suckers are the ones that have food. So I stopped cutting out my suckers from my tomato plants, because when you cut the suckers, you are kind of delaying your veggie to grow. your tree to grow. You see, this is a sucker, but it has food. And then all the leaves, they don't have food. And then the sucker has food. So now I stopped. I stopped touching my tomato plant. Only the bottom leaves I'll take out, but anything else, I don't. I don't take out. I don't take out the suckers. I don't take out the suckers. You can come for me. It's fine. I know somebody will say, "Hi, you have to take out the." You see, look at that. This is a sucker, but the sucker has what? Has food. So it means that if I take out the suckers, I'm not going to have enough tomatoes, right? And then we don't want that. We want more tomatoes. Tamati is sharp or a joint. And then here we have herbs. We have mint, we have fennel, we have rosemary, we have thyme, and here we have different type of thyme. This one is a lemon thyme, and then this one is a normal one that you know. And then we have oregano. Remember this tire was empty, but look at it now because of the rain. I just need to clean this space when I have time because I've been like out of the garden for a long time, but I just need to, like, in the middle there, clean here, clean there. But we have food, we have spices, we have herbs. And then lemons are show offers, like lemons are show over. The big lemons, they are out. And then we have new ones that are starting to grow. But now we have a problem. We have these white things under the leaves. I don't know what is this. I don't know. That's why I'm always wearing something when I come to the garden, because you find so much scary things in the garden. Look at that. It's Christmas. The ants are eating. The flies are eating. Go to Christmas. You understand? So that's why I'm always wearing something, because hey, my hair can like be a nest of these things. And then we have more gingers. Have more gingers on in the garden. And then we have figs. They are growing. So there's a fig. I just have to come and hide them from the birds, because these birds, they are eating before me and I don't like it. They think they are nice. They are not cute, but I need to come up with something to hide those figs. And we have onion is growing in the container. You guys are always complaining, hey, we cannot plant things in a container. Guys, things can grow. This is a crate. I bought this crate from Pick and Pay, and it has food. It has food. You cannot say, well, now you cannot plant because you don't have a space. You don't have excuse. You don't have an excuse. And then there is the parsley and again, what is this? What is this? I forgot. I forgot what is this, but it's a herb. It's a herb. And then other trees, you guys know, they don't have food at this moment. I just wanted to show you the ones that are growing and they have something, you know. So that's it, folks. I hope you guys enjoyed this garden tour, and my voice keep on cutting and I can't breathe properly because I use my nose, and my nose are doing monkey business. But anywho, we are done, and please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and make sure the bells are working. The bell is working, because most of the time I do live streams more these days than the real videos. Yeah, so make sure the bell is working. And then ke re go tswa go nna monyana mo Motswana wa go tswa kwa dusty mahlenge ke re tuele. Bye guys.